Destination Toyota. This is Ricky taking a walk around video for this 2023 Tacoma TRD off-road in a black color. So you can see it comes with the fog light, and this unit I believe is come with the winter tires. So you can see the M+S and the slow fade logo on it. And this unit is only have 39,000 kilometers. And let's take a look for the back. It got a 5-foot back since it's TRD off-road. Here's the tow hitch. Under there, you got a full-size spare tire. You got your backup camera here. Here's the back. So on the back, got a little bit scratches. So the previous owner is definitely using the truck. And you got your power outlets here. Your tow connector here. Let's take a look for the inside. So since a TRD off-road premium, you got a soft touch leather seat. And it also comes with the moonroof. So here's your 6-way power adjustable seat. And let's get this started. One push button start. Start perfectly. This unit have 39,000 kilometers on it. And right now you can see the 360 camera control and the automatic high beam. Let's take a look for the 360 camera. That's the 360 camera on it. And you got all the safety features, link park control, backup sonar, and you also have you can open you can control the back windows there. That's the crawl control and the multi-terrain system support. And you can open up your moonroof, and that's pretty much it. Let's get it wrapped. Wrap happily. It's a bulletproof V6 engine, which you cannot get in the new generation. Is your 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive control, and two zone climate control right here. You got a wireless charging port and got a big box here. You got your manual handbrake. Let's do a final walk around, see do I spot any scratch or dent. In terms of the interior, I think it's not wear out. Definitely a little bit wear in a driver's seat, since the previous owner definitely drive it, but it's not. It still look very new. All right, the driver's side door, I didn't spot any scratch or dent. For the driver's side quarter panel, looks good. No dent, no scratches. For the bumper, as far as I can see, no significant scratch or dent. And the hood, same as the hood. So it's black color you can see very clearly where it got the scratches on it. The passenger side front quarter panel, no scratch, no dents. And the passenger side door, I see a very slight scratches here, a little bit here. So it's a very minor scratches, and definitely have some in the door handle. And the passenger side door, very minor scratches. You have to go very close up to sort it. And in the back quarter panel, maybe a little bit scratches here, but no other at all. And the back door, a little bit used scratches on above the handle, and one scratches in the M of the Tacoma right here. And for driver's side quarter panels, no scratches at all. And that's pretty much it. And you can take a look for the roof. I believe this Tacoma is in a very good condition. Let me know if you're interested in 2023 Tacoma TRD off-road.